2003 Lexus LS 430 Beast. What a beautiful car. Look at this thing. It is massive. They're really good engines on these too, man. I've seen some with 400,000 or 500,000 miles. It was the flagship of Lexus back in the day. Anyways, factory converters, there and there. Then wise into a single. Third converter there. Then what we did, deleted everything. 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Straight pipes. Put new hangers on it on each side. And then finished it off with some blue flame tips out the back. Right there. Right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Very nice. She's ready for action. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to let you guys hear it. And there's the resonators that were on it. And he had the mufflers cut off by himself a while back. But that's what we cut off and ran all new. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Lexus LS 430 straight pipe. That's a good sounding Lexus. That's how they should have came, man. Yeah, it sounds clean. It's crazy. They used to be like 80 grand when they first came out, man. These cars. Yeah, they're expensive. 60 or 80 grand, something like that. She's ready to go, man. Oh yeah, very nice. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, Lexus LS 430, fully straight piped, other than the cats, still got the factory cats. We don't delete cats, guys, stop asking. We get like 10, 15 calls a day, do you delete cats? No, we don't. V8 sounds so phenomenal. Sounds really good. Enjoy, guys.